Keranique sent me this follicle boosting serum about 3 weeks ago, and I have been using it since it arrived, and I love this product. It goes on so lightly. It has a very light smell, but it helps my hair feel so much thicker and more voluminous. It's just amazing. I have no idea if it's really working yet, but my hair definitely feels thicker and healthier and happier, especially at the scalp. I do feel like I'm getting little healthy hairs in here and just overall feel really, really wonderful with this product. But I do want to say that in addition to this follicle spray, I am using Keranique's thickening shampoo and conditioner, and I'm taking hair supplements. So I have been doing a lot of things to help my hair, and all of them together have made an enormous difference on my fine hair that's prone to breakage. And right now, all I've done today is shampooed and conditioned, and I spray this in right as my hair is still damp. That's when I like to do it. And I just take it and spray it directly into the roots like this, and then I just basically just kind of massage it in, and it really doesn't weigh down my hair. It is better, in my opinion, to put it on when your hair is wet, but you can put it on when it's dry, and it's just wonderful. And not only does this seem like it's really making a difference for me, but I love that this product is made for women by women, and they have gone out of their way to make sure this is an exceptionally high quality product with none of the bad stuff that's really great for the planet as well. I will definitely keep using Keranique's Follicle Boosting Serum. This is a wonderful product.